Before we start, can you all please stand up? Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir!
Now, before you sit, please check your surroundings. And now, please sit down.
Thank you, sir! Thank you, sir!
So, I am your teacher for today, Pahangunin M. Abdurrahman, and I will be teaching you a lot. And for our attendance, Miss Bayrama, can you please stand up? Can you identify who among your classmates is absent?
I think we only have one absent for today's session, sir. Miss Akhlal.
Okay, thank you very much. You may now sit. As a start of collection of assignment, Miss Shitisha Lamina, do we have any assignment or not?
None, sir.
Okay, that's good because I didn't give you an assignment last meeting.
Yes, sir.
As a start of review, Miss Sawan, can you please stand up? Can you remember what is our topic for today, which is about noun?
Oh yes, sir. It's all about the names of the things, places, and you also discuss about some collective nouns, abstract nouns, and so many more.
Yes, that's correct. How about Miss Baymanis? What about verb, which we tackled last meeting?
Sir, verb is an action word.
Okay, thank you. Simple. How about pronoun?
Pronoun is, when you say pronoun, it is the substitution of the noun. For example, he, she.
Yes, thank you so much. So that is our topic last meeting. And our role, you class don't forget to
Clap!
which means
Cooperate, listen, ask, and participate.
yes, we must not forget that. And our learning objectives, please read in 3, 2, 1, go.
At the end of the lesson, the students can A. Differentiate the purpose and intention of a speaker in delivering speeches by answering questions. B. Convert the purpose of the speaker into a different purpose. And C. Apply the types of purpose and intention of a speaker in daily lives through participating in a role-play activity.
Yes, I hope we can get this learning outcomes at the end of this class. So before anything else, let's have an activity first. So our activity is called Videois Educately. So this is a type of site where you can put a video and insert questions while watching the videos. Can you all please bring out your phone? So I will divide you into 3. This pair, this, and this. Now pick a corner. Pick a corner. You can set aside here. Then you will be in the middle.
Can
Can everybody bring out their phone? Okay. So, just insert this. Open this game.educaplay.com. Please open it. This one, game.educaplay.com. Okay, now open your back.
Not yet, sir. My network is not networking.
That's fine. We will wait. So when you open it, when it's open, you will see this. Okay, you will see this. Just enter 657 602 as our game fee. Okay na ka? Na-enter
Yes,
na.
sir.
657 602.
602. I know one.
Then click enter. Okay na? Wait. Let me see.
Sir, how
Okay.
about this account?
What account?
How about this? Are you going to log in, sir?
You don't have to log in. You just have to,
What?
when you click it, you just have to put your, just have to enter this guest account.
Oh, so if we insert the guest account, what is going to do? Yes. Anything?
Diba you go to the, let me see.
Yes, sir. It's
Then, yes.
back.
Then, now you have to back.
Yes, I'm back here.
Then just go to the, okay.
So it's still loading, sir.
While waiting, I'll explain the mechanics first. So you will listen attentively because while the video is playing, there will be pop-up questions. So you just have to listen, read the text, listen to what the purpose is saying because you will have to answer the questions according to what they have said.
Yes, sir. Sir, are you using up?
Yeah, this is not an app, but this is a website where actually it is called EducaPlay. It has really a variety of games with educational intention, and one of it is EducaPlay. So, do you all see this screen now?
Sir, not yet, sir.
It
It's
is still
loading.
loading. Okay, now let's proceed to our activity. Listen attentively.
Yes, please.
Hello, welcome to the English Easy Practice course, Conversations Practices.
The first one to raise their hand gets to answer.
Conversations in different places and situations. Thus, you will learn vocabulary and improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Okay, so Michelle.
Wait lang.
Okay, my man.
Can we move?
Yeah, you can move forward. The timer starts now. 5, 4.
I believe it's conversation.
Let's check the conversation. Okay. Who wants to? Okay.
Me, English.
English. How about the?
English.
Okay. Let's check conversation first.
Let's get started.
So no one got the correct answer. The correct answer is conversation. Okay. Listen attentively and read the text.
Hey there, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like to order 2 takeout drinks. First, can I have an extra large iced coffee?
Okay, say 5.
Who take out? Who take out? Who take out? Coffee.
How about?
I know! 3. Wait! Who take out? 3. 1 take out of coffee. 3! 2 take out.
Your final answer is
3. Take out from 3.
1. Take out 3.
2 take out.
What letter? Just identify the letter. B. Wait lang, same word. How about? Also C. Okay, so since the group 1 answered first, they could all got it correct.
Sure.
No one still.
What are your milk options?
We have several milk options. We have regular milk, skim milk, fat-free milk, almond milk, soy milk, and oat milk.
What is the last milk?
Okay, my man is up.
Oatmeal.
How about you?
Oatmeal.
Okay, but since they got the answer first,
Which option is the healthiest?
It's tough to say. It really depends.
okay, my man is Abbas. You're so fast.
Healthiest.
Okay, let's check. 2 points.
Continue to get your marks.
Listen.
Well, I am trying to lose weight.
Shape of the man. No one.
then I would recommend with skim milk or factory milk.
Salary sa gusto right now.
Okay, I will take skim milk, please.
Wala
No
pa.
problem.
Okay, skim milk.
Muslim.
Skim milk.
Muslim.
Hey.
Okay.
Magtingin ka sa amin.
What would you like for your second drink?
I would like a medium iced vanilla latte.
Would you like skim milk in this drink too?
No thanks. This drink is for my colleague. Regular milk will be fine.
2, 1, ready. Okay, bayaran na.
No, friend. And
They are both C.
but we are the first.
Okay.
We are the
Will there be any?
we are the first. No, we are the first.
No, just those 2 drinks. What's my total?
After taxes, your total comes to $11.13.
Let's go ahead.
Ako na.
Kaya dito ko.
B. Kami na una. Yeah!
I would like to pay by card. Here you go.
Do you also have a points card?
Who is the has -1?
Hello, are you enjoying the story? Please give us a like. Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
Ano yun? What is it? First, point card.
Okay, first. Anyone wants to answer?
Point card.
But since the answer first.
Yeah.
Yes, but it is in my other purse.
We still have 5 remaining.
No worries. You can just tell me your phone number and I will be able to add the points to your account.
Wala ko.
In that case, my phone number is 501-222-7363.
Big. Okay. Silent. Silent first. 7. Silent.
Hey.
Three, two, one. Okay.
Drinks, thank you so much. C and B.
C, okay, C.
B ako.
B, B.
C.
C. E.
C ako.
C, C. B, C, C.
B.
Let's check.
Games.
Okay. They got it. They got
You too.
Five games. Kamu tidak ada suara namin. Five.
Okay. Now we are. There's only remaining 4, 4, 6,
How can I?
5, 4.
Hey, my girlfriend and I are trying to decide which movie to watch tonight.
Well, our theater is currently showing 7 different movies. What kind of genres are you interested in?
3, 2, 1, ready.
Six kami. Ano ba ba yan? Eight.
Since the answer first.
He really wants to see a comedy. Well, I don't like funny movies. I prefer romance and action.
I like action, but I hate romance movies. They're very boring.
3, 2, 1, go!
Action.
My money. Action. Romance.
Easy. Action.
Okay, let's check action first. Is the answer first?
Can you tell us more about it?
Well, the animated movie is about animals that can dance and sing.
Isn't that a movie for kids?
Let's go get it. Nabila po.
Any points for
Boy!
group to receive 5 prizes for the second video and the last no.
Set.
So now that we are done with activities, I have some few questions. Mr. Ramla. How do you interpret the speaker's purpose and intention?
Based on the video, sir, I think the speakers want to convey the importance of listening.
Thank you very much. Miss Manis, what do you do when you misunderstood the speaker's purpose and intention?
Sir, I replay the video and watch it again.
Okay, that's good. Miss Bassett, what changes in you when you truly understand the purpose of the speaker?
Mas naiintindihan ko yung sinasabi nila sir. Yes.
Yes. Miss Salem, why do we need to fully understand the intention of a speaker?
So, we need to fully understand the intention of the speaker because that's where we know if their intention to us or to other people is good or not. So we can trust them.
Okay, thank you very much. Miss Sinfan, how can knowing the purpose and intention of a speaker helps in communication?
How can knowing the purpose and intention of a speaker helps in communication?
So,
By knowing the purpose and intention, you can watch or use those strategies that can help you to communicate.
Yes, thank you very much. And lastly, Miss Muslimin, what would you do if someone is not communicating with you very well? Or yes, or not delivering, you cannot understand his or her words.
Sir, I would ask, so that I could understand what he or she is doing.
Yes, that is good strategy. So, as our topic for today is a speaker's intention and purpose of delivering his message. A speaker purpose is very important to know because this will lead in delivering a good communication. So, as an individual ourselves, we have to identify the purpose of the speaker. Why is he speaking? Is there any reason behind it? That is why the purpose of the speaker is very important for us to know because this could lead us to misconception, misleading, misunderstanding. And according to Wells, human history becomes more and more a race between education and catastrophe. Ms. Perala, why do you think so?
human history becomes more and more a race between education and catastrophe. Sir, can you define us first what is catastrophe?
Catastrophe is like a war.
War. Okay. Human history becomes more a race between okay, because human from the beginning until up now, we tend to be like run to tend to have a race, like we should be the best, we should compete with one another, especially between education and war.
Yes, that is good because we humans are really competitive.
Yes, definitely.
As well as the other meaning is because we somehow is racing in competition with the way we speak. We don't want each other to We don't want anyone to stop us when we are speaking.
Yes,
So there are types of speakers' purpose, and the first one is informative purpose. And the first one is informative purpose. Miss Simple, what can you please read the first and second bullet?
So, informative purpose to inform, to pursue, and persuade, and to entertain. It more on sharing information to one another. So, do I need to yes?
No, you cannot say. Miss Abbas, can you please elaborate? Elaborate.
So, informative purpose is yes, to inform or to entertain. So, it is more on sharing that information. For an instance, is yes, for an instance is
Yes. Miss Article.
yes. For an instance is when we wrote an article. So I think that's an example of informative purpose.
Okay, so thank you very much. So one of the kind of the purpose of a speaker while is speaking is to give information. This is to deliver information such as news, educational purpose, or educational informative purpose, for someone to know the details of something. This would mean delivering a message that helps them in living a good life. For instance, a teacher is teaching because because her reason is to deliver an informative messages to the students. That is one of the example of informative. Another example is, do you know that mathematics has numbers?
Yes.
Yes, although it is a question, but the purpose of this sentence is to inform. Yes, that is correct.
Yes.
The second one is, I am pregnant. This is also inform. The other example, announcements, etc. So the second type is general purpose. Miss Bassett, can you please read?
Okay, so next is general purpose. That the information given is for everyone. To share the information to be useful for anyone who may come to hear it.
Okay. You want to read that one? No.
Is memo considered example?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay,
Thank you very much. So another purpose is general purpose. So sometimes the speaker is not only speaking to one person, but it could for everyone. Or it doesn't mean that a speaker is speaking could mean for everyone, because although the speaker is speaking in front of many people, it can mean that she or he is only speaking to one. But this general purpose means that the speaker is delivering the message to everyone else that who heard what she or he is delivering.
Sir, another example is yung sa diba or sa seminar is yung guest speaker.
Yes. So the other example are also the announcements, the rules, and bring out your assignment, because the sentence is for everyone. So the third one is the asking purpose. Miss Muslimin, can you please read?
Okay. Third one is asking purpose. Sorry, sir. So asking purpose is the information given might needing some answers. The shared information is an inference. You are asking something that you want to clarify.
Yes, that is correct. So, as a speaker, we only don't need to deliver a sentence or to give information. We also tend to receive information or to clarify information, to ask information. And this is to share information not just within ourselves, not just within the group, but within many people. So for the other one is by Salem. please read.
Okay, the fourth one is command purpose. The information is giving order. So I think I don't need to explain it
Yes.
because
It's very self-explanatory because you are giving command or you're giving an order to someone. So that are the speaker's purpose. And there are many, but we will discuss that next meeting.
Yes, sir.
But now, let us proceed to speaker's intention. Miss Abbas, can you please identify, or who among you can identify the speaker's purpose and the speaker's intention?
I think Miss Ram.
Yeah.
Miss Lawan, can you try? Or would you like to try?
wait, let's say I'm still processing. Command.
The speaker's purpose and the intention.
Differentiate
Oh.
the meaning?
Yes.
Okay. I'll try. I think the difference between the two, when we say speakers, that's
Purpose.
first purpose is the goal or the objectives of a speaker when he or she tries to say something or convey something. The intention is, it's like what's inside the speakers want to convey. Like the intention is when the speaker intends to inspire the audiences by giving a soft speech or motivational speech. On the other hand, speaker's goal is to, he or she set a specific goal. For example, the intention is to inspire, and then the goal is for the audience will participate or participate.
Let's give her 5 claps.
1, 4, 3, 4.
Okay, so that is very precise. The speaker's intention. It refers to the meaning behind what the speaker aims to communicate through their words or actions. So it is not only about the words, it is not only about the delivery, but it's about the intention that is coming from our heart.
Yes.
When, for instance, when Stalin says to Miss Simple, for example, is that you're nothing but a second heart. Trying hard. Her intention is to
Hurt someone's feelings.
That is correct. And there are 4 ways to know the intention of a speaker. The first one is a clear intention. The intention of the speaker may come not clear because sometimes when using a word, we may tend to mislead someone.
Yes.
Even though we don't mean that, we don't mean it that way, but the receiver may tend to misconcept it or mislead it into another interpretation. That's why in identifying the speaker intention, we should make it clear. Did you understand?
Yes.
The second one is the language. It is very connected to the first one because it may differ from a language which could change the intention of the speaker, of course. For instance, if you use deep language or words that could not be understood by the receiver, this could lead to an unclear intention. And the third one is ambiguity. The intention must be hidden from the meaning of the text. So, for instance, if you saying words not directly or parang pinaparinggan yung tao and you use ambiguity, this could lead in misleading or misconception. For instance, if my mom is asking me what time is it, then that could lead me in asking, oh, it's 12. But her intention is not about to ask the time, but it's about to remind me the time.
Yes.
And the model of delivery. It may be formal or informal delivery. So any questions?
None so far.
So now we will proceed to another fun and engaging activity, which is
Spinner
role playing. Okay. So now, the same group, or I will divide into three. Miss Basil, please come forward here, and Miss Simba, please join there. Okay.
Nagama ka na ba ng laptop sa akin?
Okay. The instruction is, you are now divided, and you will have a role play activity. Okay, this group, your role play will spin around the speaker's purpose. And this group will be about the intention of that speaker. So I will give you 2 minutes to prepare. Your timer starts now.
Sana yung spinner. Can you wait?
Okay, this is the criteria. The criteria is alignment 15%, accuracy 50%, creativity 10%, grammar 10%, total 50%. The award for this is very good.
Can you speak the asking his purpose?
Anything, you can take any as well. Okay, listen groups. Your team, this team will about friendship, this team is about school. So you'll make a role about school and this friendship. Okay, Simon, start now. Bilang para magkano.
No, it's
Are you ready? I think group 1 is ready, the intention. Can you please take the floor?
Are we going to kaya
We're friends.
Okay, now let's say that guys. 3, 2, 1, go.
3, 2, 1, action! How are you guys?
It was
Wait, I hiding something.
Oh,
But it seems like you're hiding something.
Sorry, it's not our intention. This was about the guy straight out of it.
But we don't how to know this true.
Okay. We'll never do it.
Okay.
Let's give them a round of applause. Now please group for repeat in class.
Diyan na lang kayo. Diyan na lang.
Ay, ibang kayo.
Let's get the light, camera,
Dapat.
in 3, 2, 1, light, camera, action.
So, in this situation, here's the last book.
So, the number one book is, you cannot enter the temple if you are not wearing your coat. And also, if you are not wearing your ID. So, that is pretty located.
And also, very much should be at those shoes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mom, in terms of wearing a uniform, ano po yung day to get?
You should wear a uniform from Monday to Thursday. Only Friday, because Friday is one day.
Mom, what is the tendency if the student
You cannot enter the campus because the security guards won't let you in.
What is their fantasy?
You just need to show some proof.
So, evidence.
Yeah. That's your written exam. Any other question? Oh yeah, just give me
Let's give them a round of applause. So I already identified the winner. Just listening and watching, please. Okay. So as you can see, one of the is grammar. So the grammar includes the language. So the winner is the intention group. They got 49% and the purpose got 45%. However, you can still take that win by just answering what is their theory, what's their intention. Who among them answer? What intention of their law culture? I observed earlier that you are not listening.
Yes, sir, they are
So I think the intention of the role play is
No intention of their
intention of role play is also the meaning of Baptista.
Is that correct or not? Okay, so let's clap for the intention. However, Universal received a long line award. Now we have an individual award. Miss Paalra of this data. What is the purpose of the first?
informing.
Miss Simpal, what is the purpose of the second?
Inquiry.
Yes, passive. Miss Passive. What is this?
Command.
Miss Muslimi. Reform. Okay, Miss. And Miss Veranda, there's a question for you. How can you make this let's choose one sentence and make it into asking.
Can you keep their mouth shut?
Yeah. That is correct. Now we also have another group activity called edit assignment.
Yes.
You will create, each group must create a short blackboard. So now your group must be purpose of the speaker and intention of the speaker. Did you understand that?
Yes.
That is our assignment. And that's all. Good morning. Goodbye now.
Bye.